Hello everyone, today we're diving into an intriguing topic, the validity of the Big Bang Theory. As you may know, the Big Bang Theory is currently the prevailing explanation for the formation of the universe. However, what if I were to suggest that this theory might not be entirely accurate? Buckle up, because we're about to explore an alternative idea that challenges the conventional wisdom. While delving into the fascinating realm of multiverse theory and Indian Vedas, I stumbled upon a captivating concept. It suggests that our universe is older than the Big Bang Theory proposes. Astonishingly, it implies that matter existed before the birth of our universe and will persist even after its eventual end. This intriguing notion led me to a different theory known as the Big Explosion theory. According to this intriguing hypothesis, the universe was formed through the explosion of billions of supermassive black holes. This alternative explanation carries substantial weight and offers a higher likelihood of being correct. Contrasting the Big Bang Theory, which posits a massive explosion originating from an object smaller than a millimeter, the Big Explosion theory introduces billions of supermassive black holes into the equation. One crucial aspect supporting the Big Explosion theory is the sheer magnitude of the black hole's mass. Their density reaches an astonishing 2 quadrillion tons per cubic centimeter, vastly surpassing the density of even a neutron star, which sits at a mere 4 billion tons per cubic centimeter. It becomes clear that an explosion originating from an object smaller than a millimeter would result in a density trillions of times greater than that of a neutron star. Such extreme densities seem incompatible with the formation of a universe. Considering these compelling arguments, it appears that the Big Explosion theory holds significant promise, making it 10 times more accurate than the traditional Big Bang theory. However, it's important to note that scientific understanding evolves over time, and further research and evidence are necessary to solidify any theory. We should approach these theories with an open mind and continue to explore the wonders of the cosmos. So, my friends, I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this matter. Do you find the Big Bang Theory to be correct, or does the Big Explosion theory resonate with you? Feel free to share your opinions and engage in a lively discussion with your friends and family. And don't forget to share this video to spark curiosity and inspire others. Stay curious, stay fascinated, and keep exploring the mysteries of our universe.